Hello everybody, welcome back. Xauusd is here again, a daily price action trader, and I'm going to break down the whole chart of XAUUSD on 27th of May 2025. Market is nearly to the end of the New York session, and let me just show you how market moved today. And today I'm gonna just talk about a beautiful pattern that I have always talked about, which is spike, channel, and trading range. So watch this video to the end and see what is going to happen. So markets began with a trading range behavior today, but it broke it from downside and then created a double top and a sell setup. So this is the low, the first low of the day. After it just gets out from the trading range, this area I mean, and then it broke down when I saw this, and when it couldn't just cover this gap between this low and this high, this is an absolute sign of strength for sellers. That's why I immediately sold the market with no orders. Just I clicked on the sell bottom and then shorted the market because I knew market has lots of room to go lower. So in the beginning I put my stop loss above this high, then shorted the market right here, put that and continued market going down. Then when it just broke this low with this bearish momentum, I shifted my stop losses from this top to this high and managed my trade, and finally I got out after seeing this series of bullish candles, which was a sign of strength. And from this level, market entered into the trading range, which is the third phase of the market. Let me just show you this trading range behavior. So the spike just began here, and in morning video I told you I see this as a spike. In higher time frame, like 15 minutes, just see what happened. You see this whole series of bearish candles, which is a sign of a strength in the market, and this gap here between this high and this low of the day, when market breaks below and can't cover this gap here, it's a sign of strength. That's why I shorted market right here. Now let me just get back down to lower time frame, which is the 5 minutes. So this is a spike. After a spike phase, we know that my rocket always enters into the channel, and channels finish in 3 touches: the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. And look at this, just this big candle here. This big candle here with lots of momentum is the exhaustion gap. Let me just write it down here. This is an E gap, exhaustion gap, and this just shows that when it gets covered with this bullish momentum candles, it's a sign that market is nearly to its end. And also after the channel breaks, which isn't successful every first breakout of the channel, 90% of time it fails. That's why I mark this place up as the first BR, which always fails. Not always, but 90% of time. And then market rallies down into legs. If this one here, if this is the first leg, this is L1 after the breakout, I should expect this as the first and this whole channel as the second leg. And if you see, market exactly does what it has to do. So the first leg after breakout, then the second leg, which is a wicker trend as the second leg. So what happens after this? When the market breaks the channel line, we know it enters most of the time in the second phase of the market, which is after a spike, channel. Now it's in a trading range. So I'm gonna mark down the bottom of the trading range, and also it is the bottom of the day, so it plays as a significant support level, and its previous high, and also this high or this high, and I have marked it right here, plays as a significant resistance level. And right now you can see market has come down, up, down, up, down, up. And what does this tell you? The strategy about trading range: buy low and sell high. So you could have bought here, sell it here, buy down, put your stop loss below this level, and make the market long, take out of your profits here. Right now market is in a bullish channel. If it breaks below this trend line, I'm going to look for sell setups for the possible targets. The first target would be here, and the second target would be the below of the bottom of the trading range market that we currently are in. So as long as market is in this trading range, I'm going to, my whole strategy would be buy low and sell high. Guys, please don't forget, watch the videos on 27th May 2025. For today, I released when market was live. I just took the trade right here, and I just tried to explain why have I taken this trade, and every nearly 20 to 30 minutes I released another short to update my position, and I also dragged the stop loss from this stop to this stop to show you how I manage my trades. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button, and if you subscribe, every day you're going to see the markets analysis on XAU USD and Euro USD, and every entry setup with the reasons. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and have a good night. I'll be waiting for you tomorrow. Don't forget to watch specifically the short videos. Thank you so much, and have a good day.